Welcome, in front of me I have HUAWEI P40 and today I will show you how you can change always on display theme. So you have to go for the settings, you have to find the home screen and the wallpaper, and here we got always on display. You have to tap on display style, and as you can see currently I selected this theme, but if you want to change it you can pick any other. For example, we can go for the artistic, maybe for this one. Here you can also change the style, and as you can see it's animated. You can also show date and the time and notifications, so you can decide what you want to get. Here you get also the different layouts. Let's stay with this one. Click apply if you want to change, and right now take a look. When we lock our screen, there it is. So if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.